So guess what came in the mail, guys? I will be unboxing the silver YouTube play button today. Okay, so here's the box. It's a bit like medium heavy. So we're gonna have to like cut that open. I got my butterfly knife, obviously my rep. Why not? Let's see, and then I think there's more tape here. Okay, so I'm ready to open it. Ooh, protective foam. Oh, I'm gonna take the foam off. Ooh, okay. Let's see what this says. Congratulations for your subscriber milestone. We're honored with this achievement. And then there's a little letter like this. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th? Oh man. I don't know if I do remember. I think my brother was my first subscriber, honestly. But it's the Silver Creator Award for 100,000 subscribers. And what's nice is this thing came on my, like, right when I was graduating college, which is a kind of cool thing. Also, it's signed by the CEO. Nice. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Woo! Okay, let's see that thing. I'm gonna give you some nice visuals of that. It says, presented to ArtSea for passing 100,000 subscribers. And I'm trying to show my face. Let's see if you can see my face. Oh, there I am, behind the camera. See? Oh my god. Look at that. It's so shiny. It's kind of heavy. There's some hooks on the back. Wow. This is such an honor. Thank you so much to everyone who got me to this amazing milestone. I want to let you know that I love being an inspiration to all of you, especially to get you into this hobby. And what I'm going to say going forward is try to spread positive energy in the balisong community. That's what I long to do. I try to be positive, always, not negative, not criticizing people for trying things, for trying their best. And I've done this for 4.5 years, and all I've been doing is trying to help beginners learn and get into this crazy, amazing hobby.